The door locks automatically when closed. Ensures safety every time you leave the house. When there are lots of guests going in and out, or when you need to access the house consistently in a short period of time, you can use the manual relock function to remain unlocked. When it needs to be locked, all you need is one touch. 3 unlocking functions by smartphone can be activated by KevLok app. You can tap lock icon on your smartphone. If you don't have hands to do so, the lock will also automatically connect to your smartphone via Bluetooth when you get close. Then all you need is click Slide to Open or Slide to Open with security code. The security code will provide an extra safety lock in case you lose your smartphone. When you don't have your phone with you or your phone runs out of battery, you can use PIN code to open the door. If you have friends coming over to your house, or if you made your place into an Airbnb, as long as they have the KevLok app, you can send them the mobile key, and they can enter with the KevLok app. When you want to stay home without being disturbed, or you'll be away for a long period of time, you can lock down your house completely. None of the smartphones or keypads will work, except using the actual keys to open the door, providing you the safest and most convenient smart lock. It is designed uniquely, has full metal texture, and is waterproof. Can withstand temperature from -4 Fahrenheit to 158 Fahrenheit. R3-R8D Smart Deadbolt. KevLok.